So if you want to know how I achieved this look using Ecostyler Gel and all regular edge control by ORS, then stay tuned. Oh, by the way, I have 4C natural hair. Right now my hair is recovering from badly heat damaged. So yeah, so basically to start off I use water. I'm pretty sure you guys know the whole thing. Just use some water so you can hydrate your hair and to prepare for the gel that you're about to slap on your edges. So yeah, so basically then I grab my two gels, well, my Ecostyler Gel and my ORS edge control, and then I mix both of them, and then I go ahead and put on my edges. Yeah, that's it. There really isn't much. There isn't a secret. So yeah, I prefer to do mine in like circular motions. I don't know if you guys understand that, but yeah, circular motions, and then throughout my whole pyramid, throughout the perimeter of my head, and then after that, yeah, I go ahead and add some more around the hair, the hair on the head. So yeah. So after I'm done laying my edges, I go ahead and use a satin scarf. And yeah, I mean, I think the secret to like to having like laid edges is baby hairs is using a scarf, because the scarf helps it set. And the longer you use, the longer you let it set, the better your hair comes out looking. So yeah. So yeah, I left my scarf for like about 10 minutes or so, and then yeah, and that's pretty much it. So you'll notice that like it kind of stuck to my head, so which is a good thing because it really means that my edges got laid. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So if you guys did like my video, don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell so you are notified every time I post. Thank you very much, and I'll see you on my next one.